RS Rosetta Stone. This is a buyout. You can clearly see this is not a setup. You can clearly see. You see this kind of big volume, and then you see this tight sideways. This is a buyout. Okay, this is not normal. Okay, this is a buyout. Ignore it. Take it off your screens. EXPI. Needs a setup. Needs to go sideways a bit more. It had a better setup. You know, it had setups here, 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 maybe. It just needs probably another week or two, so the 50-day can get a chance to catch up. CWH tried to break out yesterday, but was it a good setup? I don't think it was that good of a setup, but it was a strong stock yesterday. That it was. Wait, this is the one. Oh my god, this is the one. Oh no, this is the one. This is the one I had 100,000 shares. No, was it 100? What? No, it was more. I had several 100,000 shares of this thing on this day here. Oh. And it just keeps going. Okay. Yeah, you remember that? Yep, just when the rumors were out, and I said it could go to 20. I got stopped out the next day, but then I rebought it on this day here. I had less size though, and then it actually went to 20. It went to 20.00. Guys, I'm a market oracle. This is no joke. This is on video. It's recorded. It's on YouTube. On this day here, I said it could go to 20 on this news, and it went to 20.00. Now, obviously, it's higher, but it's the same thing with Kodak. On the video where I took my Kodak loss, when the stock was in the 30s, I said, hey, this thing could go to 60 bucks, and look at where it went. It went to 60.00. So next time I say something that the stock could go to X, you better pay attention, guys, because it's probably gonna go there. Just saying. Just saying. It's up to you if you want to follow my advice. Yep, Oracle of Stockholm. Why I'm holding Zillow? Because it's still surfing around the 20-day. It hasn't stopped me out. Yeah, but you know, it did close below the 20 yesterday, but was still close to below above the previous day lows, so it's still intact. I never look at overseas indices, never. Totally irrelevant. I trade the US markets. I really don't give a shit what other indices are doing. I think it's totally irrelevant. I really don't. Doesn't really affect me in any way. Shui? What about Shui? There's nothing here. What do you? I mean, what am I looking at on Shui? Like, it's just like where is there a setup here? Rigi. It looks like a decent setup, but I don't know. I guess it looks okay. It's definitely showing a relative strength. BVXV, yeah, it looks decent. This is a good one. Been surfing the 50-day, has a nice range break. I don't know what the catalyst is, but this is a pretty decent setup. Very thin stock, but you know, it also had good setup here. These are 5-star setups, guys. These two. And this is a little bit non-traditional setup, but it looks good. Looks good. Whoa. PVG. I don't like it. I don't like it. It was very loose yesterday. It showed relative strength, yes, but it was very loose. Oh, it's a gold stock. Oh, no. Guys, there's so many gold stocks. You have this NEM, you have GOLD, there is GFI, like there's KGC. There's so many of them. You can just trade Nugget or Chainug. It's so much easier. You don't take on any company-specific risk. Zoom opening, yeah, could be. Like Fiverr, if it could just tighten up a bit, could be good. Yeah, oh yeah, Pen, absolutely. This one I'm definitely watching, starting tomorrow. It's building a nice high tide. This is a high tide flag. It's a high tide flag. Lad making, let's see, Lad. Yeah, Lad. Yeah, could be in a few days. Could be a good setup. Can break out from here. Square bouncing perfectly off its 50-day, building higher lows. Livongo looks good. We can just go sideways a few more days. Zillow looks good. This one I'm already long. Pinterest, obviously, this one is still flagging very nicely. But this apps looks good. Like this is also a high tide flag. Ideally, it can go sideways a few more days. This thing, wait, this is actually pretty liquid. I may even trade this thing. I'm gonna put it on my watch list, or in my watch list.